How to turn off automatic app updates on your iPhone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to stop apps from updating automatically, so you can choose when to update them yourself. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap App Store. Under the Automatic Download section, look for App Updates. Simply tap the toggle next to App Updates to turn it off. Once disabled, your iPhone will no longer automatically install app updates from the App Store. On my device, this setting may already be turned off, but if it's enabled on yours, just tap the toggle to disable it. From now on, whenever an app update becomes available, you'll need to update it manually. To do that, open the App Store, tap your profile icon in the top right corner, and scroll down to see available updates. Then tap Update next to any app you want to update. I don't see an update on my device, but you can follow it. This gives you full control over which apps get updated and when. And that's how to turn off automatic app updates on iPhone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and guides.